Good day, everyone! Pag-usapan po natin itong inaantay ng karamihang mga kaguro. Ito po yung qualification standards for newly created teacher 4, 5, 6, 7, and master teacher 5. So, ito po ay kakababa lang. Ito po ang DepEd Order number 19 series of 2025. Ibinaba just yesterday, June 24, 2025. For today's video, para sa mga katulad kong medyo bibihira magbasa ng memo ng DepEd Order, ito po ay 50 pages. As a help, ay ire-review po natin itong kakababa lamang po kahapon na DepEd Order about amended qualification standards for teachers 1 to 3, master teacher 1 to 4, and school principal 1 to 4 positions, and the qualification standards for newly created teacher 4 to 7, and master teacher 5 position. Consistent with the principle of competency-based human resource system upheld by the Civil Service Commission, CSC, and the Department of Education, DepEd, through the Agency Merit Selection Plan, MSP, and in view of the implementation of Executive Order Number 174 Series of 2022 on establishing an expanded career progression system for public school teachers, DepEd through the Bureau of Human Resource Organization Development in coordination with CSC has reviewed the qualification standards for DepEd teaching and school principal position. So meron pa akong, alam ko meron din pa akong vlog about dito po sa Executive Order number 174 Series of 2022. Nasa DepEd World playlist. Ayan. So the department through this order formally adopts CSC Resolution number 2500471 dated on May 28, 2025, which approved the revised QS qualification standards for teacher 1 to teacher 3, master teacher 1 to master teacher 4, and school principal 1 to school principal 4 positions, as well as the qualification standards for teacher 4, teacher to teacher 7, and master teacher 5 created by the virtue of Executive Order number 174 series of 2022. Covers all principles and teachings or teaching position within the public-based education sector. So, syempre, lahat ng mga nasa public lang. Both elementary and secondary levels. So, specifically junior and senior high. For secondary, except, ayan, sa mga SST po natin, special science teachers and special needs education teacher. Oh, exception sila. Positions. All appointment to covered positions shall be governed by the DepEd Merit Selection Plan, along with subsequent guidelines on recruitment selection and selection plan, and appointment rather, applicable civil service rules. The existing quality standard for SST and SNET positions shall remain in effect unless otherwise modified or amended through subsequent issuance. Alright. So, sa mga SNET and SST, hindi ito applicable. Effective immediately upon the issuance of this order, all appointments, ayan na, effective simula, ibig sabihin, today is the start of the effectivity. Pwede ka nang mag-submit. Oh, talaga ba? Including promotion and reclassification of position shall strictly adhere to the amended and newly created quality standard. Vacant positions that were published or posted before the effectivity of this order shall be processed under QS in force at the time of their publication or posting. So, kung halimbawa may mga vacant position na nai-post before June 24, so yun, pwede pang applyan. Pero after that day, after yesterday, is under na dito sa DepEd Order number 19, series of 2025. Alright? A certified true copy of CSC Resolution number 2500471 dated on May 28 is attached the forms and integrated part or integral part of this order. So naka-attach po dito kaya 50 pages po ito. All existing provisions are relevant DepEd orders, CSC rules and regulations and other related issuances that are inconsistent with this order are repealed, rescinded, or amended accordingly. So, yung mga previous na mga DepEd orders, CSC rules na hindi align dito, ang sabi po, rescinded or amended na accordingly. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung latest na guidelines dapat kung gusto mo magpa-reclass. Actually, reclassification na nga eh. Promote by reclassification. This order shall take effect immediately from its approval and publication on the DepEd website. Certified copies of this order shall be registered with the Office of the National Administrative Register, ONR, at the University of the Philippines Law Center, UPLC, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Secretary signed by the current DepEd Secretary Sani Angara. Ayan. Dito naman po guys, qualification standards by the Civil Service Commission. So, ito talaga eh. Ito dapat yung ating susundin in terms of qualification kasi sila yung nag-a-approve. Sa kanila dumadaan. Marami ng mga cases na inilusot, sad to say, sa isang division pero pagdating sa civil service ay naibalik yung papel. Kaya mag-a-accomplish ka nung mga requirements. Mas maganda ito yung gawin mong bro. Alright? Ito yung resolution for the salary grade. Assist pa rin naman, ang mangyayari lang dun sa ito yung bago. Teachers 4 to 7, ang magiging salary grade is salary grade 14 to 17. Tapos, yung master teacher 5, magiging salary grade 22. Salary grade niya, yung school principal 4. Alright. Section number 22, number 2, chapter 5, title 1-A, book 5 of Executive Order number 292, series of 1987, Administrative Code of 1987 provides establishment, administration, and maintenance of qualification standards shall be the responsibility of the department agency with the assistance of the approval of the Civil Service Commission in consultation with the Wage and Position Classification Office. Alright? Such Rules 8 qualification standard under Omnibus Rules on appointment and other human resource action. So wherefore, the CSA rules to approve the following quality standards for various teaching and school administration position in DepEd. So ito yung mga position. School Principal 1, salary grade 19. Ayan kanyang qualification. Basta ang eligibility niya is still under pa rin ng RA 1080. Principal 2, salary grade 20. Ayan yung kanyang qualification. Principal 3, salary grade 21 with the qualification. And Principal 4, master's degree in relevant learning area, at least 18 units in management. Sa Teacher 1 LM, Teacher 1 Secondary, pares lang naman yan. With the education, qualification, and experience, not required. Training, not required. Teacher 2 Secondary, Teacher 3, salary grade 13. Teacher 4, Secondary, bachelor's degree in education, or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. 3 years teaching experience. Teacher 5, 24 hours na training. Ayan. with 18 professional units in education. Teacher 6, 4 years teaching experience at meron siyang 24 hours na training. Teacher 7, salary grade 17. Kahit yan lang no? Bachelor's degree in education with 18 units, 33 units ako. 4 years teaching experience, 19 years. 32 hours training. Ito yung 5. Education. Master's degree in education or educational leadership or educational management. 5 years teaching experience and 4 years relevant experience in instruction supervision, technical assistance to teachers. Pala yun sa amin. Teacher, senior high school group. Teacher 1. Teacher 1. Para dun sa mga gusto mag-teacher 1 sa senior high, mag-apply ng teacher. Qualification lang, at least bachelor's degree with relevant major na mayroong 18 units ng professional units in education. Experience not required, training not required. Basta mayroon kang let under A10 RA 1080. So track and core. Any bachelor's degree with at least 15 units specialization in the relevant standards subject plus 18 professional units in education. Okay. Teacher 2, ganun din. At least, pero meron ka dapat 1 year experience. Bachelor's degree, major in relevant strand. Right. Kaya dito natulungan ko yung ka-team ko dati sa YouTube. Management graduate siya. Hindi siya matanggap-tanggap sa junior high ng math teaching. Pero sabi ko, why not? Sa senior high ka mag-apply, mag-ABM ka. Ayun, natanggap. Hindi na siya nakapag-YouTube. Teacher 3, 12 units towards masters. 2 years experience. 16 hours training. Okay. Bachelor's degree with major and relevant, 12 units towards master degree in the relevant subject. Teacher 4, senior high. Bachelor's degree with a major of relevant strand subject plus 18 professional units. Okay, tapos 18 units of professional units in education. Tapos 18 units din na master's 3 years experience, 16 hours of training in any of cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization acquired within the last 5 years. The last 5 years. Or completion of NEA prerequisite professional development program. So, teacher 5. Ganun pa din. Bachelor's degree with at least 24 units towards masters. So, may 24 units sa masters. Pedagogy education. May training na ilan? 24 hours. Teacher 6. Salary grade 16. 30 units towards master's degree. Bachelor's degree with a major of relevant. Okay. 4 years experience, 24 hours training. Teacher 7. Bachelor's degree with a major of relevant 18 units, 36 units. 4 years experience, 32 hours training for permanent appointment. Okay. Master Teacher 1. Master's degree in relevant strand and subject. Pero, Master Teacher 2, ganun din, 18 professional units. Master's degree in relevant strand. Arts and Design, ayan. Hindi ko nire-review. Para sa mga Arts and Design po ito, TVL, Techbook. Ayan, Teachers 3 for Techbook. Arts and Design. Sa Senior High. Sports track, wala na tayong sports track. Pero nandito po sa DepEd Order number 19 series of 2025. Pag gusto mong magpa-reclass for senior high school. Yan. TVL. Sa mga TVL, meron kaming TVL. Ayan. TVL, sa inyo to. Yan yung mga qualification ninyo. Bachelor's degree, relevant specialization plus 18 professional units in education, bachelor's degree, and completion of technical vocational course in the area of specialization 18 units. Okay? Ganun din, mayroon kang specialization training, pat mayroong in situ, tapos TM, pag mga TLE. Yan, pag mga TLE, dapat may in situ or TM, much better. Ay magpa-in situ na kayo at magpa-TM. Kung may in situ kayo, situ 8 na updated po yan. Much better kung TM ka. The CSC resolves further that the above mentioned quality standards shall be the basis on the CSC in attesting appointments. Ayan na. Ito yung gagawing basis ni CSC para mabigyan tayo ng mga appointment and in evaluating other human resource actions for the subject position in DepEd. So, ayan na malinaw. Itong DepEd Order number 19 series of 2025 ang gagamitin po ni Civil Service Commission upang i-evaluate, i-validate yung ating mga application para sa reclassification and promotion for teachers 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan, dito sa teachers 4, 5, 6, 7, sa 7, kailangan mo ng at least 36 units na master's degree units. Galingan po natin, ihanda po natin yung ating mga papel para sa mga kaguro na nanonood po dito. At sana po ay in a way nakatulong po itong pagre-review po natin of this DepEd order. So ganun lang kadali. 50 pages in few minutes. That's all for. See you next time. At kung bago ka kay Sir Pax, sana click mo naman yung subscription button and notification bell all para kung may mga susunod pa akong mga content about DepEd order ay ma-notify po kayo. So that's all. God bless sa iyong promotion.